How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can add a raft in the Anycubic Slicer. Now, let's go ahead and add a primitive shape first. Now, it's going to be this very simple shape right here. And then to add your own raft, you can just navigate through the side category onto the quality right here, strength, speed, and finally support. So click on support, scroll down, and in here we have the raft option. You can input the layers of raft you want to apply onto your plate. So in our case, let's go ahead and say that we want to apply only one. It will then enable some additional options on which we can configure the raft contact Z distance. As a default, this is going to be 0.1 millimeters. I'll leave it at default, and then of course from there we are good to go. We can see the raft that we have made right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.